Hi everyone, welcome back to Mella's channel. Today we have here my mini collection that I have been collecting for a very long time. Like I was dusting off everything on my room since it's almost 2025, and every 3 to 6 months I do clean everything up again just to keep everything in pristine condition. And these Looney Tunes DVD is the ones that I had kept. Like there was more, but I have to give them or I had to throw them since they're not working anymore. And I did want to keep a memory for me to look back. So I'm making this video actually for myself. And here are the artwork for the CD. Like it's really nice to see the artwork on the CD and the artwork on the outside is the same. And also these Looney Tunes and the Tom and Jerry is one of the cartoons that I have watched a lot when I was young. And this one is the Looney Tunes Baby. I haven't really opened this, and I haven't watched the full series, but I did watch it a lot on TV, especially on weekend. I remember when I was a kid and waiting for the weekend to watch cartoons. And here is the One Piece movie that really got me into One Piece. And these anime DVDs are English English sub. They're not the English dub, and I do really like that I have this Full Metal Panic as well. And Full Metal Panic is a very colorful anime. Like you cannot really tell what will happen. I have watched the season 1, season 2, but the newer version that was released, I haven't really watched that. And I know there's also a movie for this Full Metal Panic, but I haven't really gotten the chance to watch that as well. But the next one, we do have the Boys Love Hyper. Like this one is a BL anime, but it's more of the high school life on a boys' dormitory and their life in school. So it's not like it's not rated 18 or anything. And this one, we have Karin, a really nice winter anime to watch. Like I really like to watch Karin on winter. That's just how the vibes for Karin. And the DVD artworks are really fun for this one. And here's the look of the pack. And as you can see, the plastic that's covering these DVDs turn yellow. That's how old they are. And of course, for the last one, I have here the His and Her Circumstances. And this one is a pretty difficult to understand anime when you watch it as a kid or a teenager. Like you would understand a deeper meaning for this anime when you become an adult and watch it. But I really like the artworks for these DVDs as well. As you can see, it matches the artwork on the back. And also this artwork when they were swimming, it's really nice. And the back itself is nice with the film artwork. And now we are on the mangas. I have here the Detective Conan. Like for this one, Detective Conan is also my all-time favorite anime. Like I have still been watching Detective Conan till now and still not finished. And here we have the Naruto. It is a three volumes in one. It's not your typical one volume manga. This one it was really hard to get in full. I was trying to get at least 10 or half to complete this one. But I ended up giving up because the store that I was buying this from was like you have to always